Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. You guys love when I do my Poshmark videos because you get to finally get your hands on some of my items that I have here. Before we get started into the video, I do want to give you a little bit of details about Poshmark. If you haven't heard about Poshmark, it is an app where you can buy and sell new and used fashion. They have a variety of styles and brands, so you can buy something that's designer wear. You don't have to buy designer. It's completely up to you, and that's what I love about the app, is that you don't have to spend a lot of coins to look good, girl. Okay, literally the app has like such a variety of brands on there. Like I've seen brands on there such as like Nike, Louis Vuitton, Adidas, Michael Kors, and so much more. I am going to insert like a screenshot of the app so you can actually just see it and how it looks. It reminds me of like an Instagram feed. Again, it is extremely easy to use and navigate, and also aesthetically pleasing to me. So yes, also you can go ahead and download the app for free. The link will be in the description box below, and you can also check out my closet. My handle to my closet will be down below in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check that now. And as always, girl, we want to know what you got in your closet. We want to see what you got in your closet. Definitely go ahead and leave your closet handle down below in the comment section. If you want to be a part of the Design Squad, definitely go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and right beside the subscribe button, sis, go ahead and click the notification bell. You don't want to miss my videos. I'm just saying, we supposed to be here. Aren't we supposed to be here? You don't want to miss my videos. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. You guys, I'm going to show you just a few items that will be listed here in my closet. As I mentioned, you want to go head over to my closet so you can just see everything. I literally have so many things that I'm going to be putting on my closet to sell. So yes, definitely go ahead and check that out. First thing I am selling is this skirt here. I got this from Forever 21. This is in a size medium. I really like this skirt, to be honest with you, but it's just a little bit too short for me. It's like pleated here, as you can see, and it does have like a little zipper as well as a button right here. So let me just go ahead and try it on for you guys, so just so you can just see how it looks. All right, so this is how this looks. Again, it is a mini skirt. I have it high waist, but if you are like a little bit shorter than me, or you know, if you just like this skirt here, this will be a look. This is how the back look. This tag is still on, so I've never wore it before, but I just wanted to try it on for you guys so you can just see how this looks. So this is cute, and this is one of the items that I'll be selling. Alright, so this is the next outfit that I am selling here. It is a two-piece set by Fashion Nova, giving you a little python, snake, and anaconda feel. It is really pretty. I absolutely love this set, to be honest with you. And I like the top. I really do. But I just don't like the bottom, the snake bite. Okay, I wish I could just keep the top, but I know y'all would want the set, you know, y'all make your butt look real nice or whatever. And it's very comfortable, very stretchy. It is a very thin material. You can get this just before the summer ends. If you got a party to go to, this is gonna turn heads. It's really cute, and I really like it. And again, it feels really good on, so I like it. Ooh, sis, let's get into it. This is cute. Okay, I love this. This is from Fashion Nova. It is a two-piece set, and it has like, I do have my bra on with it, but obviously you won't wear a bra with it. I just wanted to show you like what it looks like. But this is how the skirt is. So cute. Really love it, and I like the way that it fits. And it like really just like snatches you in. It looks really good, sis. Like, look at this. This is cute. I just don't like the bottom. Like, it's just too mermaidish for me. You definitely put some heels on with this. I mean, this is giving you like Kim Kardashian vibes. Like, it's just a little bit tight for me. I just want something that's a little bit more, I don't know, just a little bit more comfortable, just a little bit more loose. It's a pretty dress. Oh my God, I love it so much, from Miss Lola, and it's like off the shoulder, has like this little deep V here. It does have some wire here, so it's, you know, hold the girls up, and it is so cute. It has like a little belt, but you can also change the belt out for a belt of your liking, just depending on, you know, what you would like to do with this dress. It does have like a high split here, so you may want to wear some compression shorts or something underneath, just so you won't show too much. But you know, with some heels, a nice little bag, this would be cute for maybe just like a girl's night out, or you know, just a little lunch or something. It's really cute. I love it. Like I said, it's off the shoulder. It does have a zipper here in the back, and this is how the back looks. The material is lightweight. I really honestly love this. So cute. Alright, you guys, so this is the last outfit that I'm going to show you that will be listed in my closet. I think that this is so pretty. This is a nice vacation outfit. Since you still got one more vacation to go on, like a summer vacation. before the summer ends. So I think that this will be a really nice outfit. I love it. You can definitely wear it to the beach. It's a skirt set. It's very, very flowy and long, as you can see. Actually has like a split here on both sides. So as you can see, super cute. I love the colors and the flowers. They're so pretty. I just have this like tied right here. You don't have to tie it right here. You can just completely tie it in the back if you want to. But this is kind of like how the top looks. And I have my bra on with it. And this is how it looks in the back. It's just crisscross, like I stated. You can, you know, just put the bow in the back if you would like to. Or if you like it like this, you can tie it as well. It's up to you. So, alright, you guys, that's all I'm going to show you right now. Like I stated, I'm going to have plenty more of items on my Poshmark. So definitely, like I stated, go ahead and look in the description box below so you can actually get my handle and you can head over to my closet so you can start just just adding to the cart, okay? Definitely go ahead and click the link in the description box so you can download the free Poshmark apps where you can create your own closet and you can buy and sell fashion. I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.